Right, this is a simple digital album. We're using lpc2478 ARM7 based microcontroller from NXP. Right, this board basically is targeted to show a simple images from mass storage device, a USB mass storage device. But basically it got an lpc2478 microcontroller and an SD-RAM of 32 MB along with a TFT touchscreen display from Microtips. It's the resolution of this TFT is 320x240 and it's a 3.5-inch TFT screen. Right, even it got an SD card slot, so I can also use an SD card and few switches and LEDs to interface for the users. Now I'll start this board. Right, here I go. Let me adjust this. Right, here it goes. Right, the first thing what I do here is I try to set the touchscreen calibrations. It basically asking me a few test points to touch, so I'm going with a 3-point touch calibration, 1, 2 and 3. And now this is my main screen, which shows 4 basic options like demo picture, a touch calibration, a connect USB, and connect, or I can connect an SD card. Alright, let me go with my first menu. It says demo picture. So what here I'm doing is basically I've hard-coded a BMP image on my LPC ROM in here, and now what I'm doing is I'm trying to fetch that image from my ROM and show it onto an LCD. Let's do it. Right, here is my test image. It's basically a scenery. Now I've enabled an option saying that exit from this demo picture. Let me exit it. Right, returning to my main menu, and this is my main menu. Right, now I'll test the second one, that is connect USB. Alright, wait, USB is connecting. Right, it just got connected, and here is my list of files. Right, total files found 11 files. So basically I've written a code for BMP files. So I filtered out all the BMP files in this mass storage device. Now let me play these files. Right, slideshow starting. Right, I've enabled few BMP files of 320x240 resolution. I'm not doing any image compression techniques. We're not using any resizing techniques. Straight away I try to put 320x240 resolution images onto my TFT. Right, these are a few pictures. Alright, going back to my main menu, let me exit it. Right, exiting. Alright, these are simple things can be done using basic controllers. Since I don't have my SD card, no SD card still, so going to my main menu. I can also have a touchscreen calibration. Right there. Right, going back to my USB, it shows all the internal FAT file system options, how many sectors are available. Exciting. Oops, let me exit this. Right, so these are simple things can be done using an lpc2478. A very great controller, simple development tools. Beginners can enjoy developing these kind of things.